Hello everyone, welcome to MetaEd. In this video, we are going to talk about the image labeling or image annotation, which is major task in the machine learning. So in this video, we are going to do how to do image labeling with the help of image label image. So now let's start. First of all, open your command prompt and install one module that is pip install label img and hit enter. And now this will install the label image in your system. As I have already installed that label image, so it is showing requirement already satisfied. Now for your case, if you haven't installed, it will install successfully. Now just you have to type label and img, label img and hit enter, and it will open one app. So here you can see that this is the label img, and here we will do labeling of our image. So here you can see that this is the from where you can open your files, import files. Here open your directory, or here you can change your save directory. Here you can uh, navigate to the images. Here next, previous, and this one is the verify, and here you can save your images, and these are the model that in which format do you want your say model, like Pascal, VOC, YOLO model, or create ML. So for now we are saving the files in Pascal VOC. So now let's start. So now we are importing our image. So I'm going to select from my desktop. Here you can see that there is the image of dog. Now we will label it. So for now, I am using Pascal VSC. Now click here, create rectangle box, and you have to just create the rectangle box like this. So, and here you have to name the label. Like for example, in my case, it is dog. So I'll write here dog and enter OK. And here you can like scroll this one, this is a rectangle box, where like this, and this is my dog picture. So now I will save it. So it will save in that XML files. Hit save. Now it's saved. But if you want to like label more images at once, so you have to open your directory where you have saved more images. Like uh, for my case, I have saved some images like this in the new folder. So I am opening new folder here, like the dog and cat image, and these are the multiple images. So how to do labeling in multiple, like multiple images? So here, first of all, create rectangle box for one object like this, and name it like this one is the dog. And again, you have to create the rectangular box for second object like this. And this one is the cat, so I'm labeling it as a cat. So here you can see that this one both are labeled. So now I'm going to save it. Now it's saved. Again, click on next image. I want to label this too. So this is cat. So I have moved this one, and this one is dog. So I'm labeling this one. This is dog, dog. So okay, and again save, save. Now again next. So this one is dog image. So dog, okay, and this one is the cat image. Okay, so like that you can do. This one is the like I have mistakenly did it labeled it dog image, but this is cat. So I want to edit this. So for that I will hit here edit label, and here it's a cat. So I'll type it cat. Here you can see that it's suggesting me cat. Okay. Now save this one. Now In this way, you can do your labeling of the image for ML model preparation. Now, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel. Thank you.